This 2023 Winnebago Voyage V3538BR is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, awning, smoke detector, LP detector, DVD player, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerator, spare tire kit, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Voyage V3538BR is 9,626 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.